How to backup data on Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Swipe down the notification panel twice from the top. Tap the setting gear icon from the bottom right side. Now scroll down until System. Tap on a System. Again scroll down. Here you can find the backup option. Tap on a backup. Now here you can see backup by Google One. Make sure Google One it. Now at the bottom you can find the backup details. Application, all apps, photos and videos. Tap on a photos and video. Make sure toggle on this option to automatically backup photos and video from your Pixel device to your Google account. So make sure turn on it to automatically backup Google photo. Now go back. You can see SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings. Also tap on a Google account data. Here you can individually enable or disable Google account data like calendar, contact, docs, drive, Gmail account and any other. Go back. So also enable disable backup using mobile or Matter Wi-Fi data. So when you choose the option you want to backup, tap on the backup now button. Now backing up your data, you can see message on the bottom. When complete the process, it will backup all your data and you can see backup done. That's it. If you like it, share it.